Getting started on some of the exterior landscaping. It's going to be a flower bed here, or a planting bed. We planted one of these trees here just to break up the facade of the house there. It's going to be another one of these trees right over here, and just a few shrubs along the length of this wall. We're forming some concrete steps to go up to this level, just because the grade from this area to this area steps down a couple of steps. So we're going to pour some concrete here for these steps, and then we're going to clad them with a flagstone or a similar type of material. And then the walkway will continue all along this area here. Another set of stairs to go up, just one step to come up. Once the grade is done, it's going to be raised up. There's just going to be one step to go up here in this area, and again cladded with some kind of a flagstone or similar type of material. Then this patio here will continue into this area right here. It's going to be unilock brick or pavers, just similar to those ones right there. Just going to continue in this area here, just for a seating area. And a retaining wall is going to be built right along this area, right to the steps, and then on the other side of the steps as well, with some planting beds on either side. So in the next couple of weeks, I think this will be nice and cleaned up, and you will see quite the transformation.